This video will cover the general types of glassware and how each is used and reused. Clean glassware, and labware in general, is incredibly important to the proper functioning of the laboratory. Improperly cleaned glassware affects analytical results, as any contaminants left behind can move into the samples or solutions being held in them. Never leave unmarked labware on the bench, empty or otherwise. Contents should be removed, the labware should be rinsed thoroughly with tap water, and should be placed into the Citronox box before leaving the lab. Beakers are pieces of glassware that are cylindrical in shape with a small spout or beak to aid in pouring. They come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. They are graduated, but these graduations are simply an approximation and therefore should not be used for precise volumetric measurements. Beakers are generally used for preparing solutions, holding waste fluids, or performing simple reactions. Graduated cylinders are pieces of glassware designed to measure specific volumes of liquid. They are narrow and cylindrical, with a spout and a base for stability. The graduations are not an approximation, so they can be used for measuring specific volumes of liquid. However, they are not as accurate as a volumetric flask or pipette. Volumetric flasks have flat bottoms and a thin neck connected to a large bulb. At the top of the neck is a spot to accommodate a glass stopper. They are intended to measure very precise volumes at a particular temperature. Each volumetric flask is designed to hold a specific volume and therefore only has one graduation mark. A volumetric pipette is a long, thin tube of glass with a bulb in the middle. It is used to measure very accurate volumes of liquid. Each volumetric pipette is calibrated for a single volume and therefore has one graduation mark. Erlenmeyer flasks have flat bottoms and taper to a wide neck. They have graduations similar to a beaker, but these graduations are approximations. Do not use Erlenmeyer flasks for precise volumetric measurements. Erlenmeyer flasks are generally used for titrations and to hold or collect liquids.